All right, so good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm just doing a quick follow-up with better lighting. If you watched my full video on my first impressions of the Ciele makeup with sunscreen, it was a disaster because the lighting kept going out and one of the products didn't work. So this is just later on in the day. I think it looks really nice. The blush is, I'm just looking at how the blush looks. Yeah, so the blush is wearing very well. Again, the lighting, you can tell that it's just very natural looking. I put it over my red spot, and the red spot is blended in nicely, and then I just had to cover up like the main little skin biopsy spot with the concealer. And then I think my favorite so far is the highlighter, because it really just adds a glow. Like I feel like I could add it everywhere on my skin and it matches really nicely. I got the light color, and like I really just feel like you could put it anywhere, like even on the forehead, and just blend it in, and it looks really nice and natural. So hopefully you can see that, but again, I'm really struggling with too much lighting, not enough lighting. Let me see if I can show you. So yeah, it's just very natural, just very glowy. Actually, when I'm looking in the mirror, it basically looks like nothing. It just gives me a nice glow. So hopefully that was helpful. That was just a little follow-up to the disaster video. But I am going to call Sephora and find out what's going on with the bronzer. And I will do a quick short video on that after. Thanks for watching. See you soon.